Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the common crashing or not launching issue in the new Skate 4 game. So the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So keep in mind that since the Skate 4 game is still in early access, some bugs and unexpected crashes might happen, and this might not be your fault. However, there are a few mandatory steps that you should always take first, and here are the quick checks that you can try. First is to update your drivers. Make sure that your graphics drivers are completely up to date since this is a new game. The latest driver often includes specific optimizations, so always check for your graphics driver's latest updates. Next, you can always verify your game files. If a file in your game was corrupted during installation, the game won't launch. So what you have to do is this, and the process will work for both Epic Games and Steam as well. If you're using any other launcher, it'll be the same. All you'll do is go to your library, then just simply go to the game that you are currently playing, then click on the Settings option inside Steam, then just simply click on Properties, then just simply go to Installed Files, and over there just simply click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. The moment you click on this option, it'll verify all the files installed, and if there are any corrupt or missing files, it'll fix them for you. Once it is fixed, you can then start the game without any issue. Now, if the game files are fine, then we need to try running the game with different permissions and launch settings to improve stability and compatibility. And here is how to do it. Simply find the game's executable, which is the exe file. Now, it should most likely be in the installation folder, but if you have a shortcut, just simply look for that, and then just simply right-click on that exe, then go to Properties, and after that, go to Compatibility over there. Just choose Run this program as an administrator, and then click on Apply. Okay? Now, once you do this, it'll run the game with elevated permissions, which will solve the issue with the launching. Now, you can also apply some specific settings as well, for example on Epic Games or Steam. Simply go to your desired launcher, let's say for example Steam, then simply go to your game, click on the Settings option, click on Properties, and in the General tab you will have the Launch options. Over here you can add specific functions that you want the game to run in. Let's say, for example, you can always type -windowed, and when you launch the game, it'll only launch in windowed mode. Or you can force a different graphics API. So try typing -dx12 or -dx11. Try one of these options when you launch the game and see if it fixes the issue or not. So that's it. You now have multiple ways to fix the crashing and launching issue in Skate 4. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care. Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play against training bots and attempt to access bot lobbies in Clash Royale. Now the process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now the best way to practice a new deck or master your skills without losing your trophies is by challenging the official training bot, and here's how to find the training camp. First, from the main menu, look at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll find 3 horizontal lines or hamburger menu. Click on that, and when the menu appears, look for the option that says Training Camp. Then click on that. Now this will give you a pop-up. Click on OK, and after that, it'll immediately launch you into a match against the AI trainers. Now you can practice as long as you want. You can pause or even exit at any time you want as well, and it'll also not affect your Trophy Road progress. Now, if you want to try to get into easier matches against bot players on the actual trophy road or the real deal, there is a specific method that players have discovered to trick the matchmaking system, but be warned that this does not have a 100% success rate. So here is how to do it. Again, just simply go back to your main battle menu or the battle screen and rapidly tap the battle button, and then quickly tap the cancel option. You need to do this very quickly, as shown here. Do this multiple times until the battle button and the cancel option completely disappear. Immediately after that, the game will load you into a match, and you will also not have the option to cancel it again. In theory, the quick canceling can sometimes cause confusion in the matchmaking server, causing it to place you against a bot instead of a real player. Now remember though, you will sometimes still end up matching against real humans, so use the trick with caution. And that's it. Now you know the official way to train against the AI and the trick to try to find easier bot lobbies on the ladder. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. This video will show you the fastest way to level up your cards in Clash Royale. Now, the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, we need to take advantage of the current economy in the game, as right now there is a bit of gold inflation, meaning most players have way more gold than they do have the actual cards. So here is the smartest way to spend that gold. Just open your game and head to the Shop tab at the very far left of your screen. Now here, scroll down until you see your Daily Deals section right over here. I will recommend that you buy every single card that costs gold, even if you don't use the card. Buying them converts your gold into experience and upgrade progress, so it is the most effective way to use your resources right now. Next, consistency is key. You can't skip a day if you want to max out your deck quickly. So make sure you log in every single day and play enough matches to unlock your 4 lucky drops. These accumulate very quickly and often drop rare resources. On top of that, check the Events tab regularly as well. You should also participate in every single special challenge or event available. These are gold mines for season tokens and specific wildcards that you can't get anywhere else. And finally, we need to look at your long-term strategy for gathering resources. Now, do not ignore clan wars. Join an active clan and do your battles. The chest rewards you get from clan wars are some of the best in the game for raw XP and card value. Lastly, keep pushing your trophy road and Path of Legends ladder, because climbing higher is the only way to unlock specific resources like elite wildcards that you will eventually need to push your cards from level 14 to level 15. So that's it. You now have a complete strategy to max out your deck and level up your cards faster than ever. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care. Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your character's appearance and style in the skate game. Now, the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Unlike the older games where you were stuck with the same character you made at the very beginning, in this game you have the option to change your character's appearance and style without losing your progress. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is simply open the menu, or just open the map in this game. Then simply go to the Skate tab right over here, which is the third one. In this tab, you should be able to see an option called Appearance. Click on that, and right over here, you should be able to see that you can change everything from skin tone to height, body type, and build type. However, there is something you should know. There is no option where you can directly switch your gender, but you can modify the same character into a different one. As you can see right over here, you can completely modify everything. There are a lot of character customization options available for you. With proper customizations, you can even change the gender as shown here. Now, you can also change your voice as well, which you can see right over here. You can change your style and your default stance as well. It's totally up to you. If you want any more customization options, you can also go back to the main body section and change it to your liking. So take your time in the menu option and tweak the sliders to get your desired look. Try multiple options and see which one suits your style. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to get your skater a brand new identity whenever you feel like switching things up. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.